Open in Python does not create a file if it doesn't exist. What is the best way to open a file as read/write if it exists, or if it does not, then create it and open it as read/write? From what I read, file equals openmyfile.dat, rw, should do this, right? It is not working for me, Python 2.6.2, and I'm wondering if it is a version problem, or not supposed to work like that or what. The bottom line is, I just need a solution for the problem. I am curious about the other stuff, but all I need is a nice way to do the opening part. The enclosing directory was writable by user and group, not other. I'm on a Linux system. So permissions 775 in other words, and the exact error was EO error, no such file or directory.
You should use open with the W+ mode.
The advantage of the following approach is that the file is properly closed at the block's end, even if an exception is raised on the way. It's equivalent to try finally, but much shorter. A+ opens a file for both appending and reading. The file pointer is at the end of the file if the file exists. The file opens in the append mode. If the file does not exist, it creates a new file for reading and writing. Python file modes. Seek method sets the file's current position. For example, f.seek4, 0, with file content hello world. Would f.readline o world. Only ruad plus characters are allowed. There must be exactly one of ruad. See Stack Overflow question Python file modes detail.
Assuming that you are in working directory of the file. Example. FYI, I'm using Python version 3.6.2.
Good practice is to use the following.
Since Python 3.4 you should use pathlib to touch files. It is a much more elegant solution than the proposed ones in this thread. Same thing with directories.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.